Are you ready to uncover the secrets of the tiniest rulers of our planet? Let's explore the fascinating world of insects. From buzzing bees to dazzling butterflies, insects are everywhere. Did you know there are over 1 million species of insects? That's more than all other animals combined. Some insects, like ants, can lift objects 50 times their own weight. Imagine you could carry a car with ease. Beetles, with their shiny shells, are like nature's little tanks. And let's not forget the fireflies, lighting up the night with their glow. It's like having stars at your fingertips. Insects play crucial roles in pollination, decomposition, and even as a food source. They may be small, but their impact is huge. Join us as we uncover more wonders of these tiny giants. Subscribe and stay curious.